Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, a perfectly cooked breakfast waiting for you, and a fridge that knows exactly what groceries to order before you run out. Does that sound like a futuristic dream? Well, it's not. Welcome to the era of AI-powered kitchens, where your appliances are becoming smarter, more efficient, and nearly autonomous. But how does this technology work, and what's the future of home appliances with AI? Let's dive into how AI could turn your kitchen into a self-running powerhouse. Artificial intelligence is transforming every aspect of our lives, and the kitchen is no exception. From smart fridges to AI-controlled ovens, the future of cooking is not just about convenience. It's about creating an experience tailored specifically for you. But what exactly can AI do in your kitchen? Let's start with the refrigerator. Modern AI-powered fridges are more than just food storage units. They can track expiration dates, suggest recipes based on what you have, and even create grocery lists by scanning what's inside. Some advanced models are equipped with interior cameras, allowing you to check your fridge while you're at the store, making forgotten shopping lists a thing of the past. AI is also learning your habits, like how often you buy certain foods, and can anticipate your needs by ordering groceries automatically when stocks are low. Now think about your oven. AI-driven ovens can make cooking foolproof. Imagine preheating the oven from your phone while you're still on your way home. These smart appliances can identify the type of food you're cooking and automatically adjust temperature and time to ensure it's done perfectly. No more burnt cookies or undercooked chicken. Some ovens even come with voice assistants, so you can command your appliance to adjust settings without lifting a finger. Dishwashers too are evolving. AI is learning to detect how dirty your dishes are, adjusting water pressure and detergent levels to ensure the best cleaning performance while saving energy. This not only saves time, but also makes your kitchen more eco-friendly. Let's not forget the humble coffee machine. With AI, your coffee machine can learn your preferences, how you like your morning brew, and schedule your coffee just in time for when you wake up. Some machines are even connected to your smartphone, allowing you to adjust settings remotely or receive reminders to refill the beans or water. And what about the future? AI won't just stop at individual appliances. Soon, we could see entire kitchens running on interconnected AI systems that work in harmony. Your fridge could communicate with your stove to recommend meal plans based on what's inside. Voice-activated assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant will be able to control all kitchen appliances, from turning on the oven to starting the dishwasher with just a simple voice command. Think of a kitchen that manages itself, where your appliances become a team working together to make your life easier. In fact, some kitchens already come equipped with centralized AI hubs, capable of learning your daily routine and adjusting accordingly. Imagine a future where your kitchen knows your morning schedule, prepares breakfast, brews your coffee, and adjusts meal times to your personal needs. Essentially, your kitchen running itself. The kitchen of the future is no longer a far-off fantasy. It's here, and it's powered by AI. Whether it's automating grocery shopping, ensuring perfect meals, or managing your energy consumption, AI is revolutionizing the way we cook, clean, and live in our homes. So what do you think? Would you let AI take the reins in your kitchen? The future of cooking is bright, and who knows, maybe one day we'll look back and wonder how we ever managed without it. If you're excited about the advancements of AI in home appliances, make sure to subscribe for more updates on how technology is changing the way we live. Leave a comment below with what kitchen gadget you'd love to see AI control next.